Hey everyone, this is Saurabh Kumar and welcome you all to our channel Zero to Hero 247 Beginning of Winning. Students, this is the only channel where you get all the solution of physics and maths of ICSE boards. Students, in mathematics, we have started the chapter Height and Distance, which is the application part of trigonometry, and we have already discussed some points like line of sight, angle of elevation and angle of depression. So in this class we are going to solve the exercise number 23rd, which is related to this height and distance topic. Okay, so let's start the class. The first question of exercise 23rd is the angle of elevation of the top of a pole from a point on the level ground and 15 meter away from the pole is 30 degree. So firstly, read the question carefully and write down what is given in the question. Okay, so first, angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? Already discussed in the last class. Angle of elevation is whenever we look up and the angle made between the horizontal and line of sight is angle of elevation. Okay, and what is angle of depression? When we look down, the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight is called angle of depression. Okay, so here in the question is given, question number 1, given angle of elevation. Let us assume theta is the angle of elevation, which is 30 degree. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of a pole. Here this is the pole, this is the pole. Okay, A, B. This is the pole from a point on the level ground and 15 meter away. Okay, 15 meter away from the point level ground. This is 15 meter is given. From here, the angle of elevation is given for the top of a tower is 30 degree. This is theta. Okay, find the height of the pole. We have to find this height of the pole. Now here we use the trigonometry ratio. Okay, there is 6 trigonometrical ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So here this is angle 30 degree and in front of angle there is a height, and this is the base and this is the height and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so here I write sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base, which is sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, so in this chapter or in this exercise we generally use these 3 trigonometrical ratio. Okay, so here is given, base is given and we have to calculate the height. So in which trigonometric ratio the base and height is given is used. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. This is height and this is base. So I use here tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is AB and base is, this is C, this is BC. So AB is height and BC is 15 meter is given. Okay, so tan theta, value of theta is 30 degree and this is h upon 15. So we have to find the height. This is height and this is 15 into, here this goes to the left hand sides. So 15 into tan 30 degree is equal to 15 into value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3. H is equals to 15 into 1 by root 3. Here root 3 is in denominator. Okay, so we have to rationalize this whole. So 15 into 1 by root 3, we have to multiply and divide by root 3. So this is 15 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. So I cancel out this. So this is 5 root 3. And in the question there is value of root 3 is given 1.732. So h is equals to 5 into 1.732. This is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 16, 7 5s are 35 and 36, and 5 1 ja 5 and 8. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 decimal. This is your answer. So height of the pole is 8.660 meter. This is the first question. Okay. So what we do here, basically firstly read the question carefully, then write the given, which term is given in the question, draw the diagram and use the trigonometrical identity or trigonometrical ratio, either it is tan, sine and cos, and put the value and get the answer. Okay, this is the process. Now come to the next question, which is second question. And the second question, from the top of a cliff 50 meter high. Second question is from the top of a cliff. So this is the cliff, top of a cliff 50 meter high. This is 50 meter is given. The angle of depression, when we look down, the angle made by the horizontal and line of sight is angle of depression. So here angle of depression is given of a boy is 30 degree. So from here, this is the boy and angle of depression is given 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay. So if this is 30 degree, then this is also 30 degree by which property? Alternate angle. Okay. This is alternate angle. So if this is 30 degree, then it is also 30 degree. Calculate to the nearest meter the distance of the boy from the foot of the cliff. We have to measure the distance from here to here. Okay, this is A, B and C. This is given, height is given 50 meter. We have to calculate this distance. Okay, so here this is 30 degree is given. So if this is 30 degree, then it is also 30 degree because of alternate angle. So here I used also given angle of depression theta is 30 degree. Okay, now if angle A is equals to 30 degree, then angle C is equals to 30 degree because of alternate angle. Okay, this is alternate angle. Now here this is height and this is base. Then again we use this property. Then again we use this trigonometrical ratio tan theta. So I write here tan theta is equals to, this is height upon this is base. So height is 50 given. We have to calculate this base BC, and the value of theta is given, which is 30 degree, is equals to 50 upon BC. So here BC is equals to 50 by tan 30 degree, and the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3. You must learn this value, tan 30, tan 60, tan 0 degree, sine, all the specific angle which are known, like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And the previous classes we already discussed how to learn this value. So I put here value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So this is 50 into root 3, and after calculation BC is equals to 50 into, and value of root 3 is given, which is 1.732, and after multiplication it is 86.60 meter, and this is the distance between both this point. Okay, so this is question number 2. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, a vertical pole is 12 meter high. A vertical pole is, this is vertical pole, 12 meter high, and the length of its shadow is, so here this is the shadow always makes on the ground. Okay, always on the ground. So this is the shadow, and length of shadow is 12 root 3 meter. Now what is the angle of elevation of the sun? This is the angle of elevation. When we look up, the angle made is angle of elevation. This is the angle of elevation of sun. Here It is the sun. Okay. So this is angle of elevation and we have to calculate this value. This is height is given and this is the shadow of the pole. So which trigonometrical ratio we used here? This is perpendicular and this is base. So again we use tan theta. So here given height is given, height of the pole is given 12 meter. Shadow of the pole is equal to 12 root 3. I write here naming A, B, C. Height is AB is given and shadow is BC is given. Okay, now I use tan theta is equals to AB upon BC. AB is 12 and BC is 12 root 3. So the value is 1 by root 3 and value of tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3 for which angle? For theta is equals to 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay. So this angle of elevation is 30 degree. This is question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. A kite is flying with a thread 80 meter long. A kite is flying with a thread. This is the kite flying with a thread. Thread is always in this direction. Okay. This is the kite and this is the thread. Is flying with 80 meter long. This is 80 meter. If the thread is assumed stretched, if this thread is stretched straight and makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. So this angle is 30 degree with the horizontal. Makes an angle, 60 degree. This is 60 degree is given. 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the kite above the ground. We have to find this height of the kite. Okay. This is the height. Now this is the angle of elevation, because if I looked up, the angle made is angle of elevation. So this is 60 degree. This is the height and this is the hypotenuse. So I write here A, B, C. AB is the height. AB is the height and we have to find this height. AC is given, which is 80 meter and angle is 60 degree. So in which trigonometrical ratio there is a height and hypotenuse? So this is sine theta and sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is, we have to calculate this value, and hypotenuse is 80 meter. Sine theta, value of theta is equals to 60 degree is given, 60 degree AB by 80. So this is AB. AB is equals to 80 into sine 60 degree. This is AB. So 80 into sine 60 degree. Value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So after calculation, the value is 40 root 3 AB. Value of root 3 is 1.732. 1.732. So multiply value, both this value, 40 into 1.732. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 7 4s are 28, 29, 4 1s are 4 and 2 6, 1 and 1 0. 1 2 3 after 2. 69.280 meter is the answer of this question. So AB, this is the AB. So height of the kite from the ground is 69.280 meter. This is question number 4. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, what is the question number 5? The length of a string between a kite, and a point on the ground is 85 meter. Length of a string. This is the length of a string of a kite, and this length is given, which is 85 meter from the ground. Okay. Now if the string makes an angle theta, if this string makes an angle theta with the horizontal or with the level ground such that tan theta is given, tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. Okay, this is given. Tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. How high is the kite? We have to find this value. This is the height A, B, C. We have to find the height of the kite from the ground. Here tan theta, here angle is not given directly, given the trigonometrical ratio, which is tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. So using this value, we have to find this value. Okay. So here tan theta, and tan theta is what? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. This is perpendicular and this is base, but in question base is not given. What variable is given? This is AC, which is the hypotenuse. So in which trigonometrical ratio height and hypotenuse is given? In which trigonometrical ratio height and hypotenuse is used? Which is sin theta. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular and this is hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular is equals to AB and hypotenuse is equals to AC. But here tan theta is given. So how we convert this tan theta into sin theta? How we convert this tan theta into sin theta? There is one square formula which we learn in the chapter number 20 in the previous chapter. Okay, chapter number 21 or 22. Okay, so we learned here tan cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. This is the square relation of trigonometrical identities. Sorry. Cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta, and we know that tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. If tan theta is 15 by 8, then cot theta is 8 by 15. So simply I put here the value of cot theta. So cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus 8 by 15 whole square. So this is 1 plus 64. This is 15 square. 15 square is 225. Okay. So after taking LCM 225, this is 225 plus 64. So the value is 549,628 and this is 289 by 225. This is the value of cos square theta. So cosec square theta. So cosec theta is equals to 289 by 225 square root. 289 is the square root of 7 and 225 is square root of 15. Okay, so 17 by 15. Value of cosec theta is 17 by 15. Now we know that the cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta. So if cosec theta is 17 by 15, then sin theta is, by this, sin theta is just reciprocal of this value 15 by 17. Now use this 15 by 17 here in equation number 1. So from equation number 1, sin theta is equals to AB by AC. AB is not given. We have to calculate this value, and AC is 85 meter. And sin theta, we already calculate this value. Sin theta is equals to 15 by 17 is equals to AB by 85. So AB is equals to 15 by 17 into 85. 17 5s are 85. So 15 5s are 75 meter. So height of the kite from the ground is 75 meter. Okay. Here we use the square trigonometrical identity cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So once we calculate this by cosec theta, we convert this into sin theta because cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So this is the process of question number 5. Now come to question number 6. And the question is, a vertical tower is 20 meter high. Vertical tower is 20 meter high. This is the vertical tower, 20 meter high. Question number 6. A man standing at some distance from the tower knows that the cosine of the angle of elevation. A man standing at some distance from the tower. A man standing at some distance from the tower. That the cosine of the angle of elevation. This is the angle of elevation. Cosine of the angle of elevation, here cos theta is given. Okay, here cos theta is given. In this question tan theta is given. Here cos theta is how much? 0.53. Cos theta is 0.53 is given. How far is the standing from the foot of the tower? We have to calculate this distance, A, B, C. So we have to given in the question is AB 20 meter and we have to calculate the value of BC, the distance between the foot of the tower and the man standing from the tower. Okay, so how we proceed this question? So similar like that question, question number 5. This is 53 by 100. Can I write this 0.53 is equals to 53 by 100? So after that, which trigonometrical ratio is the perpendicular upon base? Which trigonometrical ratio is perpendicular upon base? Tan theta. Tan theta is equals to perpendicular AB upon base. Now, how we get the value of tan theta using cos theta? So, remember the one square relation which is sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So from here we easily get the value of tan square theta. Look, sec square theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and we know the value of cos theta 53 by 100. So here I directly put 53 by 100. So sec theta is equals to 100 by 53. Now I put here 100 by 53. Okay, 100 by 53 square is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So tan square theta is equal to, tan square theta is equals to 1 minus 100 by 53 square. Okay, 100 by 53 square, and this is 1 minus 100 square is, this is the 100 square. And how you get the value of 53 square? How you get the value of 53 square? I already discussed this our video, which is how to fast your calculation. How you get the 53 square? How you get 53 square? Simply write here 53 square, 5 square 25, 3 square is 09. Always take 2 digits and multiply this 5, 3, 15 into 2, 30. So after one place write here 30. So this is 9082, 2809. So this is 2809. Okay. So this is the square of 53, 2809. Now here this is tan square theta. Sorry, tan square theta is, this is tan square theta, this goes to here. So this is 100 by 53 square minus 1. Okay, so correct it. 10,000 divided by 2809 minus 1. So tan square theta is equals to 10,000 minus 2809 upon 2809. So subtract this two value, this is 1 and this is 9, this is 1 and this is 7 divided by 2809. Okay, 7191 upon 2809. So divide both this value, you get 2.56 and tan theta is equals to square root of 2.56. So this is 256 divided by 100. Okay, because after decimal is after 2 digits, so in place of decimal I write in denominator 100. So 256 is the square of 16 and 100 is the square of 10. So this is 1.6 meter. Okay, this is 1.6 meter. Tan theta is equal to 1.6 meter. Now this is 1.6 is equals to AB. AB is 20 and BC is equals to, we have to calculate the value of BC. So BC is equals to 20 upon 1.6. So I write here this. So 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. So 5 5 25 by 2. This is 12.5 meter. Okay. This is the process how you get the answer. Now this is question number 6. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7. At a point on a level ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is theta such that tan theta is equals to 7 by 12. Okay. Angle of elevation at a level ground, top of a tower. This is the top of a tower. This is theta is given and the value of tan theta is equals to 7 by 12. Okay. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now, on walking 64 meter towards the tower, this is the tower and walking towards the tower. So in this direction, this is 64 meter. The angle of elevation is phi. Now again this is the angle of elevation of this tower and this time this is phi. And tan phi is given. Tan phi is equals to 3 by 4. Okay. Now find the height of the tower. We have to find this one. Height of the tower. Okay. Now how I get this value? This height of the tower. Look, if this is 64 meter, I take it x. This distance is x. This distance is 64 meter is given. So this total distance is 64 plus x. Okay. And this is the height. So for tan theta, I write the perpendicular AB upon base. This is whole base which is BC. And for tan phi, I write AB upon this is base which is I write this is D, so this is BD. Okay, this is BD. Now tan theta is 7 by 12. This is 1 and this is 2. From equation 1, tan theta 7 by 12 is equals to AB is height and BC is total distance which is 64 plus x. This is equation number 3. Now using equation number 2, from equation number 2, 3 by 4 is equals to height upon base which is h upon x. Okay, h upon x. So here this is question number 4. Now we have to solve both equation, equation number 3 and equation number 4. So I write here h is equals to 3 by 4x. Okay, h is equals to 3 by 4x. This is equation number 4. This is the relation. Now from equation number 3 I write here 7 into 64 plus x by cross multiplication. This is 12h. Okay. This 7, multiply this 7 into 64. So 4 7 ja 8, 28, 2 6 7 ja 42, 4 8 plus 7x is equals to 12. H, in place of h I write 3 by 4x. So 4 3s are 12. So 4 8 is equals to 9x minus 7x. Okay, I bring this 7x to the right hand side. So this is 9x minus 7x. So this is 4 8 is equals to 2x. So x is equals to 2 to 4 meter. This is x. X is equals to 2 to 4 meter. So if we have to calculate height, I directly put this value in equation number 4. So this is 3 by 4 into 2 to 4. Cancel this 2 to 4 by 4. So 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24. So 3 into 56 is 6 3s are 18, 1 5 3s are 15, and this is 168 meter. Okay, this is the height. This is the height 168 meter, and this is the x, which is 2 to 4 meter. This is the question number 7. Okay. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8 is, from 2 point A and B on the same side of the building. This is the building. 2 point A and B on the same side, and the angle of elevation of the top of the building are 2 point here. This is A and this is B. Okay, angle of elevation is given for top of the building from both this point. This is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. If the height of the building is 10 meter, this is given height of the building. Okay, find the distance between A and B. Sorry, this is A point given in the question. A, B, C, D. Distance between A and B. We have to find the distance between these two. Okay, A and B. How we proceed this question? Whenever you get the question, read the question carefully and try to draw the diagram. Once you draw the diagram, you can easily solve the problem. So here we have to find the distance x. Now use the trigonometrical ratio. Here this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. This is the base and this is the height. Only trigonometrical ratio is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. In most of the question we use tan theta. Okay, most of the question we use only tan theta. So remember this. Whenever you get in the diagram a base and the height, directly you use tan theta. Okay, directly you can use tan theta. So here tan 30 degree is equals to, this is 30 degree. For this is the height and this is whole the base. So this is 10 meter and this whole, I write this AC. Okay, this is the first equation, and the second one, tan 60 degree is equals to, this is the height 10 upon this is the base BC. Now using these two equation 1 and 2, this is tan 30 degree. I write here AC is equals to 10 by tan 30 degree. So this is 10 upon 1 by root 3. So I write here 10 root 3. And from here BC is equals to 10 upon tan 60 degree. So I write here 10 upon root 3. So here in denominator there is a root. So I rationalize this by multiplying and divided with root 3. So this is 10 root 3 divided by 3. Okay, this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So this is AC and this is BC. So if I subtract AC minus BC, so we directly get the value of AB. So AB is equals to AC minus BC. and AC is 10 root 3 minus BC is 10 root 3 by 3. So taking LCM 3, 10 3s are 30, 30 root 3 minus 10 root 3, this is 20 root 3 by 3. Okay, this is 20 root 3 by 3 and this is 20 into value of root 3 is 1.732 upon this is 3. So multiply this 2 and divide and after division you will get the value 11.5466 meter, and in question you have to find the value up to 2 decimal places. So here I write this 11 point, this is 4 and after 4 there is 6, so I write this 11.55 meter. So this is question number 8. Okay, in this class we have done from question number 1 to question number 8. In the next video we will do further from question number 9 and try to complete the exercise. Okay, so this is end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, so go and subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you and have a great day.